I'm so tired. My friend Allison called me yesterday at 12:30 in the morning. Her friend Sari is in town from the States and she wants to go to Kunding in the south to the beach. It's winter right now, so I'm not really sure what the beach looks like. It says it's 70 degrees but windy, so I'm worried it's gonna be cold and hopefully I can tan a little bit. Okay, we're on our way to the metro. I'm going up to the high-speed rail station because there's a direct bus that goes from the high-speed rail station down to Kunding. Kaohsiung is the last stop on the high-speed rail, and so a lot of it's kind of hard to get there from Taipei, which is why Kunding is not very popular anymore. Also, there's just been some controversy around how expensive Kunding is. Why would you go and bother go to Kunding from Taipei if you could just go to Japan for cheaper? Except it goes really pretty. It's kind of like Hawaii vibes. Okay, so we're at the high-speed rail station, and on the metro over, there was like a class of elementary school kids. I was surrounded by children, but it was really cute because they couldn't reach the little bars, and every time the cars were moving, they were like too light. So they just start flying over. This last time, you have to go up and get a ticket. A little booth, and I think you just get the ticket to Kunding. Yeah, that's the one.
我要三位去垦丁。
好，都有悠游卡一卡通吗？好，10点半的。
好，谢谢。
冰龙，谢谢。
好，谢谢。Oh no! I got us our places in line for the bus, but the next bus is at 10:30, and they might not have enough seats for us. So I'm a little nervous because the next one is half an hour later. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. We'll only have to wait for half an hour, but hopefully we'll be able to get on this one and squeeze onto the bus. And here's the bus. I think we'll be able to make it. I think that lady was being dramatic. My friends arrive at 10:25 and then leave the station and then come back to get on this one. So we'll see if they actually make it. Because I forgot I had a mic this entire time, so now the sound's gonna be crappy. Sorry. Hopefully this sounds better. Okay, I think I see her running. I actually don't know. Wait, is that her? Yeah, it is. Yeah, they are. Like there. You made it! Oh, yeah. I took an hour nap. Okay, we're like one stop away. I think like 20-30 minutes. So it was about a 3-hour bus ride and it was $6 to get there. We went directly to lunch. The sashimi place is really great. They have 20-piece sushi for literally $3 US. It's crazy. And the food is really fresh, just all the seafood. The bus schedules are super temperamental, and so on the way back, last time Alice and I were here, we were waiting outside and then someone allegedly from like the town council was taking pictures of us because they wanted to show that this bus stop needed a awning. We ended up having to hitchhike back, so this time we just called an Uber after waiting there for 5-10 minutes because I don't think the bus was coming. But the rest of the day we checked into our hotel, got changed, and went to the beach. It was a little windy. There were literally kids wearing winter jackets and we were all wearing bikinis. Look at the little kid with the hat. Sarah introduced me to this card game called Dutch Blitz and I am obsessed. I think we played it for 3 hours straight that first night. Shirts off, glasses on, eye mask, locking in. Breakfast in bed. It's so early. Whose alarm was going off? Allison! Turn it off! Allison, what are you doing right now?
I'm putting on lotion for my hair. You should do losing hydration.
That's insane. What was the vision?
I don't know, like tropical island.
Okay, I see it.
Tropical elements.
Palm trees.
Palm trees.
Tropical. We have the entire
beach to herself, basically.
Private beach!
And when we first got here, we're like, I wonder when anyone's here. And it's because it's so windy. That the sand hitting you, it's like, it's painful. It's really painful for the sand to hit you.
It's so windy. That's crazy.
I was struggling. It was like, let me take you guys to a better spot. That's so silly of you guys to be there. Forgot my microphone, so hopefully the sound doesn't suck. But I just finished the Darlin's Assassin, or the Assassin prequel for Sarah J. Maas for Throne of Glass, and oh my god, I am unwell. I was like screaming. I had to take breaks and like walk around and just stare at the beach because what do you mean, Sarah Portland? Yesterday there was an earthquake in Taiwan. Everyone in my family's fine, thankfully. But yeah, everyone in the States was like freaking out. I had so many, like my sister was calling me at 1 in the morning. I didn't answer, but they were freaking out because it was a pretty big earthquake, and we were just in the south of Taiwan sleeping, just like minding our own business. So we're back at the hostel to pick up the rest of our stuff, and I just took a shower, and it was so necessary. We had sand literally everywhere because it was so windy. Lunch. When will the bus come? Okay. See? No, 到这里，谢谢。Yay! Oh, a little water and tissues for taking the bus. We made it! Yay! It only took us, what, 3 hours? 2.5? 2.5 hours. Yeah. Now Elsa has to go buy some underwear. Every time Elsa goes to Kending, she forgets underwear.
Yeah, I always have stomach problem and underwear problem. The large is so small.
That's a large? Is it actually? Yeah, night market. Allison loves Shibas. And Sari is allergic to dogs. So Sari's like, get me out of here. Whoa, it won?
It won. It made the night market stay. It was gonna be eliminated.
Tell the history.
And she saved this night market. I recognize her.
She's the one that did it? That's cool. Wait, that's really cool. Eat.
Hot.
Yum.
Hot? Hot. Hot. Hot.
Why?
Hey, 你不要对着 water 那个西瓜壳往外跑。在后面还有。
Yeah, she was like, don't do it in front of the watermelon. I love.
What
Yay.
is the that mixing? Coconut milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I mix it well?
Do some more.
There's boba in it.
It's like tiny tapioca pearls, but not boba.
It's like the
Yeah.
sake.
Oh, that's it, sago. Mmm, yummy. It's not too sweet. I like.
Very
Yeah.
mild. Hot. Hot, right? Hot. No. Ow. Too hot.
Tomato.
Oh, ooh.
Do you like?
Let me see if it's actually
Oh.
good.
Okay.
Not very crunchy.
It's not
Oh,
crunchy?
if it's not crunchy, then it's not good.
The plum flavor is so strong.
Huh. Come on.
It's cold.
You got the ice one, didn't you?
Yeah.
My aunt brought us out to lunch and we're getting roast duck. Yeah. Duck. Yeah. Oh, yummy.
Not bad.
It's not bad?
It is like yak.
Why am I scared?
Don't be scared. Just eat it. Right?
It tastes like chicken. Chicken feet.
I like.
最主要它卤的也不错，
我觉得味道。
臭哎！你们
Have you had chicken feet before? It's like that. Just spit out the bone.
What do you think?
It's spicy. No? That's sensitive.
Oh.
You're all like, what?
So we're here to watch the bridge turn. My aunt brought us here after lunch. And it turns 90 degrees, so it's a big deal here. Wow.
Also abrupt.
Chills. Gorgeous. Do you want to say something about the bridge?
She said it looks like a vagina.
Where did those words out?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good. That's good. Anything else? Any final words?
No.
Yeah, upstairs. So many.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ah, shit.
Little boy and his dad.
Stripping. Take 3. You should have stepped into it underneath your sweater. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, nice. Yeah. I think that was it. I think that was the light show. Formosa Boulevard.
When I was young, this was so magical.
You're like, wow. It's nice. My brother's not here too, and she's like, is that it? And I was like, yeah, yeah, it is. But it's funny though, because I feel like it really gets gassed up in like, if you look online of things to do in Kaohsiung, they're like, you have to come here. Like, it's huge.
It's you.
Okay, bye.